Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Book 4. So first, click on search and search for reset this PC. And now click reset PC. Here you can keep your files or remove everything, but the real factory reset would be when you remove everything. So I'll click on this, and now it is getting things ready. Now you can cloud download the Windows or local reinstall. I'll just click local reinstall. Current settings: remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, reinstall Windows from this device. Next. Now ready to reset, click reset. This would take a long time, so I'll be back with you when it's ready. Now it is installing the Windows. Remember to keep your computer plugged into a charger, and it may restart a few times, so don't mind it. And now this is ready. We need now to do a setup. You can find the video of how to do it on our channel, but I'll show you a little of it. So first, select the country or region. We can do it with the touchpad, with the mouse, but if it's not working, then click tab to go into the next section, and arrows to go down in this one section. Now click enter. Keyboard layout, I need to find it first, so it'll be faster with a scroll. Click yes. I don't want to add a second keyboard layout. Connect to a network. Oh, oops, I don't have numlock. Enter. Next. And now it's checking for updates, so I'll be back with you shortly. Now review the license agreement, click accept, name your device, click next, and now it is done. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.